Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have this Abeurox, and it is a multifunctional tactical survival tool. I totally forgot what I had even ordered. Sometimes I just order stuff because it looks cool, and then I forgot what it is. So let's take a look at this and see what it looks like inside of this. I have absolutely no idea, but I'm going to put a link. If you want to get one of these, whatever it is, I'm going to put a link to it in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video so I'll know you have that, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post more stuff. So here we go. So I opened up the little package, that thing there, and let's see. Sounds like something metal inside. So here we go. So this is the box, and this is a little saw and bottle opener. So this is kind of tells you what's all inside there. So let's see what this stuff is. So it comes with, actually, I'm gonna put on my glasses so I can see this one too. So we have a saw, well this is all the stuff here, so let's just look at it real quick. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put it down here so we can look at each thing individually. So this thing here is like one of those little credit card things. So it has like a little letter opener, a box opener. It's got a few different little hex screwdriver things. It's got a can opener over here, a bottle opener in this middle section here. It's got some screwdrivers. You can have a little flathead screwdriver. I guess that's about as good as you get. And I don't think you're gonna get a Phillips head screwdriver in a flat thing, but it's got a little ruler on it and stuff too. So it's got some cool stuff. It's pretty heavy duty. It's not easy to bend. So you can put that in your wallet if you want to. And that is that. And then let's see what this other stuff is here. So this is, let's see. So they have this, which is an empty tube. So we put it's got all these little pieces and stuff in it. So like here's some stuff. What is this? Oh, these are like little gaskets and tiny little pins of some sort in there. You can kind of see what those are. Not sure what all that stuff is. And, oh, it has a lighter in it too. Huh. No idea how this stuff works. I guess it's gonna go like this. Okay, let's take out some of these pieces here and look at this stuff. So we have, so there's this. Oh, it's a little blade. So it's a little saw blade and a pokey blade there. And so the way it works is you screw it into here. Is that it? No. It's a whistle. Oh, here, it screws into the back side of that. The back side of that whistle. Let me see, does it? Oh, it screws backwards. It's like a backward screw. But there we go. So now we have a knife with a saw blade on it. And then the other one, it's just hard to get out of this rubber stuff. And then this one here has a little like can opener, a little hex, and a flathead screwdriver, and I guess a little kind of sawing thing too. You can kind of see that. So you could put on either one of those tips, I guess, depending on what you want to use it for. So we have a saw and bottle opener, and then let's see. It's weird the way it backs up. It comes off the backwards way. And then if we unscrew this, we have a lighter. I probably need to fill it with lighter stuff, but that's kind of cool. So it comes with a lighter. It says due to transportation, the lighter is not oiled. Okay, so it needs to have oil in it. So let's see if we unscrew that. That's oh yeah, there's no oil or anything in it. It's just the wick. So I guess you pour the oil somehow in there and then close it up. Screw it closed. So it's got a lighter in there, and then that screws on its top onto this. So it's like one whole big survival tool. And then you can put the blades. All right. Oh, what is, okay, so let's see what's in the back of this thing here. So this, and then this. Oh, there's a pokey thing there. So that's probably like one of those things so you can break a window in a car. And I still hear more stuff inside of there. This is empty. Let's see what else is in there. This is pretty sweet. Oh, just dropped some stuff. Okay, check this out. It's got everything. It's got a little fishing line in there. So it's got fishing line and a little weight for it. And then, does it have a hook? Let's see. Oh yeah, the hook. Oh yeah, I see the hook is inside there. You can kind of see it. Where's my camera? You can see the hook right there. So the hook is kind of tied up in it. So I guess if you want to get it out, you can kind of poke it with all this stuff here and kind of pull it out. Boy, I'm guessing if I pull it out, I'm never going to get it back again because it's kind of survival. So it's probably made for like a one-shot use. But that's kind of cool. So it's got that. And then, is there anything else in this tube? I don't think so. No. So we screw this back together. Actually, I think it goes the other way. I guess you can, it looks like anything can be screwed any way, so you can kind of make it into a different shape or whatever. Oh, I should have put that little weight in there. A little fishing weight right here. I'm gonna put that in here with the fishing rod. The fishing string, so we have that. And then I guess that's what all those little rubber things were. I could put those on there to make it waterproof. I guess it's not probably waterproof right now until I put those on. But let's see, so then I want to put these blades, I'll stick them inside here. Oh, that doesn't go. Maybe if I screw it on the other side. I don't know. Yeah, I guess depending on the different ways you do it, you can fit things in different ways, so. Let's see, so I'll put this on this. So there, that's in there. And then I'll put that on there. There we go. There, so that's all in there now. And then this one goes onto here. It's got so many things. It doesn't have a flashlight though, but I think it's good because I have a LED magnetic pickup tool. And there we go. So we have it here, and there's the whole thing. So it's kind of all puts together like that. So it's kind of cool. So it's kind of neat little survival tool. So it looks like we had our saw and these are all the pieces it has on it. The saw and bottle opener. It has a whistle, lighter, saw and bottle opener, fishing line and hook, lead fishing sinker, a glass breaker, and I guess that's it. So those are all the different functions it has on it. It's kind of a cool little tool. It'd be a good little birthday gift or something for somebody if they're into survival stuff. But it's kind of cool. I like it. I don't remember how to. Oops. I'm gonna unscrew. Oops. I'm gonna unscrew this stuff here and put it back in the box. It looks like the box, the way it kind of has it, it's like that. Kind of weird. But I'll put these blades in there. I guess I don't have to keep it in the box. I should just keep it in this thing, but whatever. You can kind of see how it goes back. So we'll put that in there, that in there, that, and the little string. So everything goes back into the little box. Fits pretty good. And it's the Abeurox, A-B-U, that. So that's the survival tool. Oh, and I had this thing too I forgot about. I'm gonna put that back in the box too. So it's an unboxing and a reboxing because we've reboxed everything back into here again. So this is it. So there's the little barcode if you ever need that for anything, but it's pretty cool. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.